Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we have a special treat as we delve into the icy realms of the Arctic to explore the incredible world of the Ivory Gull. With their pristine white feathers and remarkable adaptability, these birds are truly a wonder to behold. Join us as we uncover 50 amazing facts about the Ivory Gull. 1. Scientific name Pagophylla burnea. 2. Family Laridae. 3. Habitat high Arctic regions, often found along the edges of pack ice. 4. Appearance pure white plumage with black legs and a yellow-tipped bill. 5. Size medium-sized gull with a wingspan ranging from 110 to 120 centimeters. 6. Diet feeds primarily on fish, marine invertebrates, and scavenged carrion. 7. Behavior known for their strong, buoyant flight and graceful gliding. 8. Breeding nests and colonies on cliffs, rocky islands, and icebergs. 9. Eggs typically lays 1 to 3 eggs per clutch. 10. Migration rarely migrates far from the Arctic ice. Some may reach temperate zones in winter. 11. Adaptations well adapted to cold climates with thick plumage and a high metabolism. 12. Lifespan can live up to 15 years in the wild. 13. Conservation status listed as near threatened due to habitat loss and pollution. 14. First described by Sir Joseph Banks in 1773 during Captain Cook's voyage. 15. Population. Estimated global population of around 20,000 to 50,000 individuals. 16. Social structure often found in flocks, especially during non-breeding season. 17. Feeding habits known to follow polar bears to scavenge from their kills. 18. Nesting sites prefers isolated and remote locations to avoid predators. 19. Courtship involves aerial displays and mutual feeding. 20. Chick rearing. Both parents participate in feeding and protecting the chicks. 21. Vocalizations emit a range of calls, including harsh squawks and softer cooing sounds. 22. Predators. Arctic foxes, polar bears, and large birds of prey. 23. Threats. Climate change, oil pollution, and overfishing. 24. Research importance serves as an indicator species for Arctic ecosystem health. 25. Bioaccumulation affected by pollutants such as mercury and PCBs in their food chain. 26. Symbolism often seen as a symbol of purity and resilience. 27. Cultural significance featured in indigenous Arctic folklore and art. 8. Flight speed can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. 9. Dietary flexibility can adjust diet based on availability of prey. 30. Molt undergoes a complete molt once a year, usually after breeding season. 31. Wintering grounds. Some may winter in the North Atlantic and Bering Sea. 32. Foraging range can travel long distances in search of food. 33. Resting behavior often seen resting on ice floes or rocky outcrops. 3. Incubation period lasts about 24 to 26 days. 35. Juvenile plumage. Young gulls have a mottled gray-brown appearance before acquiring white feathers.
36. Eye color. Dark brown eyes that provide excellent vision. 37. Energy expenditure. High energy expenditure to maintain body heat in freezing temperatures. 38. Longevity records. Oldest known individual was over 20 years old. 39. Climate impact. Rising temperatures and melting ice threaten their habitat. 40. Migration. Behavior. Some may follow ice edges southward in winter. 41. Diet in winter relies more on carrion and fish offal during colder months. 42. Feeding techniques known to snatch food items from the water's surface or while in flight. 43. Protective measures. International conservation efforts are in place to protect their habitat. 44. Ecological role. Important scavengers that help maintain the health of Arctic ecosystems. 45. Nest construction uses moss, grass, and feathers to build nests. 46. Roosting habits. Roosts in large groups to conserve warmth and energy. 47. Human interaction generally avoids areas with high human activity. 48. Adaptation to darkness well adapted to the long Arctic nights during winter. 49. Aerial skills exceptional at maneuvering through strong Arctic winds. 50. Unique characteristics, one of the few bird species entirely dependent on the Arctic ice. Thanks for joining us on this Arctic adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning about the ivory gull, a true marvel of the icy wilderness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest wildlife explorations. See you next time.